Hello guys, welcome back to Jared Play Games. I'm gonna teach you how to get free paid apps. So actually, I got the iTools, and it works, but sometimes you can't find those games like Grand Theft Auto, like those stuff. But I'm gonna teach you how to get this tweak, this tweaks. First, you go to Safari and then type m dot ITOOLSCN, and then it will come right up on your feed on the website. But you will need to download this. Click this, but I know you can't understand it, but click that. But I already have it, so hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, comment, like the video. Bye. See ya. Peace.